Hello, this is a quick introduction to Unit 5. We're going to look more into Unity programming in Unit 5 and delve into an inventory system created by InScope Studio with a series of tutorials that they have available. We're not going to have much in the way of assignments or participation stuff this week. We will have one assignment that will take you a little while, but we have a project coming up in Unit 6, so I want you to have time to jump ahead to that. So let's just look through stuff. So there's an inventory system that's available from InScope Studio, and there's a set of videos that walk you through these here. Most of the stuff we'll be looking at is in the first video here, but the first video is over 2 hours long. So it is a lengthy video. So I provide a 15-minute overview of that video and then the source code for it. So if you don't want to walk through the whole video, you don't have to. There's also some additional videos after this, so if you're really interested in this sort of coding in Unity, you can watch this whole set of resources. There are some additional resources, older video I recorded, but it walks through the basics of Unity programming, and you might want to watch this. It's a shorter video. And then here's some links to some of the information we have about detecting collisions and triggers and things like that with our game objects and how we work with game objects and find them in different ways. Again, this is just kind of optional resources here. I would certainly suggest you start with this 15-minute overview video. Then your first assignment, which is 5A, is to download this project, and it lays out, it has this code for setting up an inventory system, and the video will walk you through this, and then you just answer these questions about it and submit the answers for it. There is an optional one with some additional more advanced questions that you can go. So if you're interested in coding and want to do this, it's optional, so you don't have to do this. If you choose to do it, you can use it to replace participation point activity later on in the course. So if there's some activity later on, 3D modeling or something like that that you don't want to do, and you're more interested in coding, you can do this activity, and just later on when you mention, or when you want to skip it, just in the comment, or when you submit or comment out that one and just say I'm going to use the points from this one for that. But again, we don't want to spend too much time on here because we do have projects, the first project coming up in Unit 6, so you should make sure you have time this week to jump ahead and try to work with that. Okay. Good luck. I think this is a fun unit. I hope you enjoy it. One final point is that if you want the full final unit inventory tutorial or code is here from InScope Studio after their 10th video. So if you want to see what the final system is, that's also available here. Okay, good luck.